Today I'm going to be reviewing Cakubor's Pro Golf Club Cleaner. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and see what we got. All right, here we go. Out of the box, this is what it looks like. Nice cover here for the brush. A 4-ounce container, very easy to use. Just twist this off and then it comes up. Put your water in there and again, just close it. You got a nice reel here so you can have it on your golf bag and take it to your clubs to clean them. Now the brush itself right here, this is what it looks like up close there. Definitely a very rough brush, very tight. So you're going to be able to get your clubs clean. And off to the side, look at this. And what this is going to do is help you clean any of the grooves on your clubs. So just an added feature that I really like. And then on the back, the push button for the spray, which is going to come out here on the end. This, of course, is leak proof, so you're not going to have to worry about that. A lot of the cheaper bottles out there are going to leak. This is an Amazon choice, which I love to see. That means people are buying them, they're liking them, and it's one of the top items in that category. This does get 4.4 stars, and I am not seeing that these are getting returned. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.